Thank you. Thank you, God bless you. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, àwọn ni wọ́n mú gbogbo àwọn winners tí ẹ̀rí lè ní. Àwọn ni judges wa, gbogbo àwọn winner pátápátá tẹ̀rí lè ní àwọn tí wọ́n mú wọn rèé. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, thank you so much.
Àwa ara wa là ń celebrate ara wa. Mo jẹ́ kan lára àwọn judges tí wọ́n jókòó tí wọ́n wo àwọn entries tí wọ́n kó wọlé tí a dẹ̀ wò pókè eléyìí yẹ báyìí tí a mú pé eléyìí ni winner. Láwọn jókòó ìmọ̀ra àwọn judges tí a mú àwọn winner yìí. So mo ti rí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ sinimá tí àwọn èèyàn submit. Mo dẹ̀ gbàgbọ́ pé gbogbo àwọn tí a mú pé àwọn ni wọ́n dáńtọ́ jù láàrin àwọn tí a mú everybody máa rí pẹ̀lú wa pé wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ dáadáa takuntakun. Fún pé wọ́n tẹ̀ kọ́ nominate lásán iṣẹ́ ni wọ́n ṣe. Fún pé tó tẹ̀ kọ́ submit iṣẹ́ lásán iṣẹ́ ńlá ló ṣe. Fáwọn winners àmọ́ kí wọ́n pé God will continue to strengthen you. Ipá àtàgbára kò ní pín yín. Fún organizer award náà alágbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run òkè lẹ́múrú sí. Òkè lẹ́wà ẹ̀ ò ní jábọ́ àmín.
OAFP Film Director of the Year. A director is an overseer, the alpha and omega of every production. To be a director, you must be a critical thinker, competent, creative, and dimensional in order to dish out fantastic and mind-blowing movies.
Director of the Year. The nominees are Wale Razak Ibinu Omo, Seun Olaiya Mother's Day.
Olè ńlá alọ́kọ́lọ́ òkìgbè ọlọ́ṣàníwá àwa ò jalè pẹ́tipẹ́ti àwọn olè ńlá bí ká wọ báńkì.
Wasiu Owóìyá Ṣẹranko Ṣènìyàn.
Jẹ́ kí n sọ Ọláìyá.
Kábíyèsí ojú ìfara.
Seun Olaiya Ṣadé. Túndé Ṣóbáyọ̀ Alligator. Farouk Abisoye.
Musa Ìlàjẹ.
Kò sí àwọn àmì tí mi lè dá o. Ọ̀nà tó fi pẹ́ ọ́ ní ìtàkùn tí mo mọ̀. Ẹ yẹ kí sọ́tọ̀ fún yín o. Ẹ wo ọ̀tọ̀ mi ò bá tọ̀. Ìwà ìgbọ́ngàn máa mi fà. Ìgbà yóò gbọ́ bàbá fẹ́ wa. Ibi tó gbọ́ ní wà fẹ́ wa. Mo fẹ́ wá owó tó fẹ́ wá.
Captain Eniola Àgbárá.
Èso ìdúpẹ́ kú ìtọ́jú ọmọ yín.
Point of correction. It's not a good ìtọ́jú ọmọ, it is a good ìtọ́jú ìyàwó.
Let's go. Go to correct me.
Túndé Kọ́mọláfẹ́ Sáréọlá.
Wife you're talking about. Ó lè dá pẹ̀lú tó sọ. Wife ta ni? Ṣé mi ni mo fún lóyún tó mi ni? Ẹni tó wà gbé tó gbé ọmọ jáde.
Oyèbámijí Òjó Iná Èsìsì.
Wetin we dey wait for show? Kí ló dé tẹ̀ ń fọ́n tó sí mi lára?
Best Director of the Year.
The best director of the year.
Bọ̀dàmú ìwá, ara ń yá yín jù.
Èmi kọ́ ni sí ẹ̀ máa pè é, ẹ̀yin lẹ máa pè é.
Nítorí àwọn kan wà yẹ wà nú rẹ̀, kẹ́ ẹ̀ tó la gbé fáwọn yẹ wà nú rẹ̀. Ẹ má ṣòjòrò, Ọlọ́run kò fẹ́ bá.
Every nominated person, Viva, please put two hands together for yourself. You have done well.
We are all winners tonight.
Very well. You are all winners.
We are all winners.
Adekola, congratulations. This year's edition is bigger than the last year edition.
Wọ́n pé ti ọdún yìí ó ga jù tọdún tó kọjá lọ.
Hopefully, the one we are doing next year will be bigger.
wọ́n pè ya máa ṣe lọ́dún tó ń bọ̀ á tún ga jù tọdún yìí lọ.
God bless you.
wọ́n pé ọlọ́run abùkún yín ọlọ́run abùkún wa torí mi wà.
And the winner.
And the winner
And the
is.
winner. And the winner. OAFP Best Award 2023 is Seun Olaiya.
àdìfẹ́kìlì tí ń mi o. bọ̀dà mú ìwá ẹ dúró sí mi lẹ́yìn o torí sí kìíní ìbá máa kó kíkí.
Baba, great Baba, Dapo Abiodun, and my friend, my wonderful friend, Odunlade Ajasa. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, everybody. Seun Olaiya.
I think they want me to go.
All right, decorum, please.
Because nobody even remember this. They are okay. They are cool with the announcement. They don't need the award itself.
Decorum,
Abi?
please.
Please, let me just quickly say this. Can we have one house, please? Can we have one house? Let me quickly say this, that I'm glad to be here. Unfortunately, last year I was the Commissioner for Culture and Tourism, and I know a lot of people were looking forward to me being returned to that same ministry. I don't know where Mr. Odunlade Ajasa is. We did a whole lot together. The Nollywood has really come a long way, and I can say that I am glad for what we are doing and what the future portends for us. I believe that collectively we still have so much that we can do together to put this industry on a higher pedestal. Can we have one house, please? I want to use this opportunity to plead. I know I've seen Tampan, I don't know if ANCP is here, all the other bodies. I want to challenge you. I want to plead that please come together. We are doing ourselves a lot of damage by going against each other. I am pleading. I want to use the opportunity of being here today to say, let us work together in love and just wait and see the wonders that will begin to evolve from the industry. Once again, thank you for listening to those who listened. And to the winner of tonight, the best, I had to ask, I know the name, but I don't know the face. Because directors are not known. If I see all well, I know all well. Adufe, I know her. I know a lot of artists, but I don't know a lot of directors. So they are the ones behind the scene making it happen. And I appreciate the fact that we are appreciating them for the good work they are doing. So on behalf of Bodadu, lè dúró sẹ́yìn, ẹ̀yin lẹ pè wá síbí, ẹ bọ́ wájú, ẹ má bínú mi tí ẹ bọ́ òyìnbó, òyìnbó ládé nsọ látẹ̀kọ̀ là ń sọ látẹ̀kọ̀, Yorùbá dẹ̀ lè ṣe, Nollywood náà gbé yìí, Yorùbá fíìmù ló pọ̀ jù bí, ẹ jẹ́ àsọ Yorùbá díẹ̀, èdè bàbá wa ni. Ní orúkọ Bodadu, Odunlade ọmọ Adékọ́lá. OAFP.
Odunlade Film Productions Awards.
Bọ̀dà mú ìwà tí bá mi sọ.
2023.
Bọ̀dà mú ìwà tí bá mi sọ. I have the pleasure of presenting this award to you for the good work you are doing. But there's a saying that the reward for good work is more work. I'm sure a lot of people in the hall will be challenging you now that next year they are going to take this from you. I challenge you that you should keep this up and make sure that next year when we come here, you are winning this again. But Odu, thank you for doing this in our small town of Abeokuta. Thank you so much. And thank you to everyone who has made today to be a success. Congratulations.
Black Magic. Congratulations. OAFP Awards. Best Director 2023. Seun Olaiya. Congratulations. Congratulations, everybody. To all directors in the house. Thank you.